Hi guys, welcome back to Coral Sisters. This is Amazon, and today I'm going to be having my wash day. Full routine wash day with shampoo, deep conditioning, my conditioner, and then I'm going to style my hair back into place. Okay. Now the thing is this: I started a 2-month hair growth challenge, but it's been barely 2 weeks, and I have to wash off my chebe, and this is so painful, but it's quite inevitable because it is I have to do a protective style for a particular event, and then that is not my fault, but I just have to wash off so I have a clean hair to style up. And then I'm just going to give you a review of what Chebe did for my hair. So if you want to know, stick around, and guess what, I have a great deep conditioning recipe that you are going to definitely love. So don't go anywhere. Give this video a thumbs up, smash the bell, and stay notified when I come back. Welcome back. Now, in the last 2 weeks of my Chebe challenge, I have noticed a great difference in my hair. I must confess. Now, this is not just applicable to me. It is also applicable to all the people who joined the challenge with me. I've got a couple of reviews in my WhatsApp challenge group, so if you're interested, the link will be in the description box. Make sure you join, okay? Make sure you do, because one of the reviews I got was that there was great volume, okay? Lots of volume. The texture was well defined. The hair got softer. There was no breakage because I had to handle the client's hair personally, and that was one of the amazing things that happened. My hair was well texturized, like the texture was just finer. The curls were well defined. My twist outs are really awesome looking, and then there's this volume. My hair looks like a thick bush right now. If I take it down, it's so thick. I could actually feel it. Okay, I could actually feel it. It is so thick. Okay, now another thing I noticed was that I got reviews that some people had itchy scalp due to Chebe. So maybe there was this reaction by a few persons. I think 2 had a reaction to Chebe. So I asked them to not prolong the use. So if you're reacting to Chebe, this is what you should do. Apply it and take it down every week. So instead of keeping it for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, thereabout, just take it for a week and then wash off before you do a second application. You understand me? Just navigate around, don't keep it for too long like some of us did, because we didn't have that itch there. And then the itch scalp therapy is going to be out soon. I'll make a video of that ASAP. So guys, let's get straight to what my hair looks like. Do a pre-poo for my hair with coconut oil and shea butter, avocado oil, and the rest of them. So I had coconut oil, avocado oil, carrot oil, shea butter, all of them put together, and I used that to pre-poo my hair. Look at the thickness of my hair. This is just 2. Now I own this hair, guys, so I know how thick my hair used to feel like, but so straight to what I'm going to use my deep conditioning. I'm going to be using fresh cow milk. This is whole milk. This is Nunu. It's called Nunu here. If you this the northern part of Nigeria, there's something called Furadi Nunu. So this is the Nunu from Furadi Nunu. So it's very healthy. This contains great protein and is good for your hair. You all know this is really good for your hair. So I'm going to be using this in my deep conditioning, and I'm going to be using neem oil. I'm going to be using tea tree oil. I'm going to use vitamin E oil, and then I have my avocado oil mix in here, and then I'm going to go in with honey. Okay, just a few tablespoons of this, and then this will be working out together for us. And one of our major ingredients is the super ingredient, Manshanu. This is fresh cow butter. It smells yum yum. Oh my gosh, it smells yum yum. So we'll be using this, and it's amazing. With the African black soap. Guys, I tell you, the African black soap is everything. I made this myself, and this soap is nourishing. If I tell you the contents of this soap, you will not believe me. My African black soap contains Nunu that I showed you initially. It contains honey, lemon juice. It contains carrot oil. There are lots of great stuff my African black soap contains. Maybe I'll do another video and show you how I made this soap. If you're interested, let me know in the comment section below, and then we'll get to work. So I'll be washing with the African black soap and using the argan oil conditioner with Moroccan argan oil extract to condition my hair, I'll show you how I mix the deep conditioning with the Manshanu, and then we'll get straight into work. Keep watching and give this video. Okay guys, at this point I'm going to wash my hair with the African black soap, and you can see that it is really brownish there. That's because I still have the residue from the Chebe powder and the cacao oil, plus the black soap is brownish in color, so I'll just walk that through gently. And now I'm going to apply Head and Shoulder anti-dandruff shampoo. This shampoo I applied after 3 wash with the African black soap. So this would let me know if my hair is clean because of the color of the leather I'm going to get. So if it's pure white, then your hair is free from all the chebe. Okay, after which I'm going to braid back my hair because I work in sections, and I'll just repeat the process the entire hair. And you can see right now the leather is so pure white. That means there is no more chebe or cacao oil. My scalp is clean, my hair is clean. So guys, chebe isn't that difficult to get off your hair, so don't get scared. And I'm going to wash in the prayer method. That is the prayer method, guys. Just look it up. It helps to get rid of frizz. Right now, I'm just going to rinse off all the shampoo from my hair and make sure there is no trace of it left, because I'm going to apply the Manshanu deep conditioner, and it must be done on a clean scalp. So guys, keep watching. Okay, it's time to prepare our deep conditioner. That is Manshanu, and then it is called Ghee or Ghee, depending on how you pronounce it. So I'm going to take a portion of that, what is going to be enough for my hair and the volume of my hair and the length. And then I'm going to add my Nunu. This is fresh cow milk. It contains whey proteins. It contains lots of vitamins that are really great for your hair. Don't forget this is milk, so milk is very essential. And I'll go in with 1 tablespoon of honey, and that is going to also help add shine to my hair and volume as well. After which I'm going to apply a few drops of a cupful of the tea tree oil. So I'm just going to put that a cupful of it, and that would do just fine. And then after that, I'm going to go in with my vitamin E oil, B0 essential oils. So I'm just going to take another cup full of that, and then I'll put that in immediately. Then I have my neem oil there. It is very great. These oils are really essential. But this is a bigger cup, so I just put half a cup full because they have to be in the same quantity. Now I'll add my avocado oil there together. I made that myself. And then I'm slowly going to mix that together into a very fine paste. I'm supposed to be blending it up, but if you can blend it fine, I was out of power supply, so I could not blend it with a blender. So I'm just going to mix that up carefully, and then I will add my shea butter because I want it to be in a consistency of a cream. Okay, you can also melt everything out, you know what I mean, melt all the butters out, and then you blend them in to get a fluffy cream. So whichever one you want to do, guys. Manshanu is really lovely, nutritious, smells yummy, and it's also great for a lovely and nourished hair growth. You should try this sometime, trust me. So after that, when I'm done rinsing my shampoo off, I'm going to apply this deep conditioner into my hair. And I'm going to start from the tip because the tip actually is the dead part of your hair. So you start there and try to walk your product all the way down the roots of the hair. And then I'm going to saturate every part of my head. Okay guys, so the entire hair is saturated with my deep conditioner. Oh, all right. So at this point, I'm just going to cover it with my shower cap, and then I'm going to tie a satin scarf on it, and then I'll leave it on for 30 minutes before I wash up. Yeah, we're back. All right, so 30 minutes gone, and you can see the oil, the oil is dripping on my body. Everything is melted. The butter is melted. And then at this point, I'm going to rinse off with a conditioner, not a shampoo. Look at those curl patterns. These are amazing, guys. You should try it. So I'm rinsing off. Oh my god. Oh my god. Check that out. Check that out. Who doesn't want these? I do. Okay, you might get tempted to rinse off with a shampoo, but please, you do not want to strip your hair of all the nourishment that the deep conditioner has provided. So just basically get yourself a conditioner and then rinse off without a shampoo. Look at those curls. Oh my God. All right, so you can do a conditioning rinse just twice